To ChemChris Daily Drill, where I solve one question in JAMB and WAEC, JAMB or WAEC past question to help you crush your 2026 exam. So we have this question on the board, which is chemistry. A lot majority of students fail this type of question, and I really want to use to explain it for you. Please pay close attention. How many electrons are in the L share of phosphorus? Phosphorus have 31, which is what is the mass number, 15, which is what is the atomic number. So how many electrons are in the L share? Now let me break it down for you. To know the numbers of electrons in the L share, you must therefore know how to write electron configuration. And in chemistry, as a beginner level, you want to put this in your mind. These are things you want to put in your mind. The first you want to put in your mind is that the first thing here you have to put in mind is what is 1x, 2x, 2p, 3x, 3p, 4x, 3d. This is what is the first thing you need to put in your mind. This is the first thing to put in your mind. So as long as you are chemistry students, either WAEC or NECO or JAMB, they will not cross this one here. So that's why you need to pay close attention. The next thing you want to put in your mind is that now the X, the P, the D, and the F, now they have the numbers of electrons they can accommodate. Like they are called the orbitals. We have the S orbital. The X orbital can accommodate the total of 2 electrons. Here going to be 2 electrons. 2 what? Electrons. Now the P orbital, which is this P here, can accommodate a total of what? 6 electrons. 6 electrons. Now the D orbital can accommodate what? 10 electrons. Why the F orbital can accommodate what? 14 what? Electrons. Now this is another thing to put in mind. It's okay. This is another thing to put in mind. So the first one to put in mind is this guy here. The other thing to put in mind is this guy here, number 2. Right? Now, another thing to put in mind is your energy level. The energy level, the orbitals, the energy level, written out with quantity number. Now, remember, if you look at the study of the period, the study of atom here, the atom have 2 main parts: the nucleus that contains 2 fundamental particles, which are neutron and proton, right? Then here we have what the shell that contains what the electron. The shell is what contains the electron, is what carries what is the electron. So the shell is where electron can be found. This is one thing to put in mind here. Now the shell, we have what we call first shell, second shell, third shell, fifth shell, and the rest. So we have the first energy level, second energy level, third energy level, fifth energy level, and so on and so forth, to 7th energy level. Right? Those energy level can be denoted with what? Can be denoted with symbol or with what? Alphabets. So this is what you want to put in mind here. So I will remove this guy here. So the energy level we are talking about here, we have this one. So we have first energy level, second energy level, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7. Each of them can be denoted with K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Please pay attention. Please, if you are following this class, if you are enjoying this class here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel or follow this account anyway. Come across this video, it's going to be of great help to you. And if this video is helpful, please leave a comment that this video is helpful. Let's continue here. So here we have K shell is the first energy level, L shell is what? Second energy level, M shell is what? Is the third energy level, N shell is what? Fourth energy level, O shell is what? Is fifth energy level, P shell is what? Is what? Sixth energy level, Q shell is what? Is what? Seventh energy level. So 1, 2, and 3. These are 3 things you to know in order to answer this here. Now, remember, I say how many electrons are in the what? L share, right? So when you talk about the L share, we talk about second energy level. So now let's write the electron configuration with what? 15 here. Why are we using 15? Remember, one thing to put in mind is that in a neutral atom, the proton number and the electron number are equal. In a neutral atom, the proton number is the same thing with the electron number, right? So this is what is the neutral atom. So my electron number is what? Is 15. So I will use what to write. I will use 15 to write electron configuration. So starting from this one here. So now become 1x. Remember, AS can combine how many electrons? 2 electrons. So it's going to be 2 electrons. That is, first energy level is having x orbital and is 2 electrons. That is mean. Let's move to the second one. 2x. Right? Second energy, which is second energy level. Other 2s, move to what? 2p. This is here. Now remember, we are using 15. Just so 2 plus 2 plus 4 is what? Is 10. We still have 5 more. So let's proceed. Let's move to 3x. Remember, x can combine how many electrons? 2 electrons. 3 left. So we have 3p3. You see that? If you look at it very well, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 3, 15. So we are done with what? 15 here. Now, you can see this guy you see here can be used to answer so many questions. You can use one to get the period of the what? Of the element in the periodic table. Without the periodic table, you can use this thing, this element configuration to what? Get the period. You can use one to get the block, and you can use one to what? To get the group. If you don't know how to answer those questions, leave a comment section that you don't know how to answer this question, and I'll put this video on that. But now let's just focus on what the question talked about. They said that how many electrons are in the L shell, and the L shell means second energy level. So look at what second energy level. These are the second energy level 2. And the second energy level have x and p. Each of them have the electron. So this x2, this p6, so going to be 2 plus 6. We're going to give us 8 electrons. Then the number of electrons in the K shell, which is called second energy level, is what? Is 8 electrons because it's shown there. As we say, M shell. M shell could have been what? Third energy level, which is going to be what? 2 plus 2, which is going to be 5. Assume they say K shell. K shell is just first energy level, which is 2. Assume they say 0 shell or O shell. O shell, which is your fifth energy level, there's no cannot exist. Just so these are ways and patterns you can solve questions. Very, very easy. Now, let us say, for example, let me give for example, try. This one is your try. This is what you do for me. Please leave a comment section. Just only leave a comment section. How many electrons are in the M shell of, let us say, X 20? How many electrons are in the word M shell? Yes, how many electrons are in the M shell? Please leave your answer at the word comment section. If this video is helpful, please leave it at the comment section. Please subscribe, follow me, so that you will not miss out any video on ChemChris Daily Drill to prepare you ahead of your exam. Do you understand? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.